Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Let us start with our online session. It's our English lecture. In this, last time we have seen the story about water in the well. Yes, the half story we have completed. Let me just remind you in short what was there in that story. Okay. First of all, let me open the textbook. Wait a minute. Okay. This is the lesson which we are talking about. Lesson number 26, water in the well. Now, first of all, what we have seen about the introduction of the person. Okay. Introduction of that. Now, the first character was Kasim. Okay. I'll just, sorry. Okay. Let us first see about this. Okay. Now, who is Kasim? This person. Okay, Kasim. That means he was a needy person. Kasim was a needy person. Now, why? For what he was needy? He was in a great need of water. You can see behind them, they are having farms, green color. Yes. So, in that farm, they need the water. They have to water that farm. Now, the Kasim was not having the well. Who is having the well? The neighbor one. Okay. Who was he? He was Ahmad. Ahmad was the person who owned the well. They both of them were, their fields was next to each other, and Ahmad was having the well in his farm. Now, every time when the Kasim was in great need of water, he wants to give water to his for the cultivation, for farming. What he do? He used to go to Kasim Ahmad. He used to go to Ahmad. And what was the reaction of Ahmad? Yes, the reaction was he was again and again said that no, I'm not ready to give, or I'm not ready to share my water. I'm not going to give you that water from the well. Okay, what he said that you are again and again begging for the water, but I am feeling I feel very sorry for you to turn down. Turn down means just refusing you, saying no. I'm very fed up of that, and he gave the suggestion. Okay, Ahmad only gave the suggestion that I am ready to sell my well. I'm ready to sell it. Now, what you have to do? You have to collect the money and you have to buy the well from me. That was the background. Now, as you can see, the story moves ahead. Okay, story goes on, and the Kasim was started to dream that I have my own well. I will water my plant, my farms, uh, my farming was very good, quality of crops was there, everything he started to dream. You can see that Kasim is dreaming, standing behind Ahmad. Kasim is dreaming now. He was dreaming about the good and happy things. Okay, whenever he wants to give the water, he will have it. Everything was started going on his mind. But as compared to the other one, what the Ahmad was, you can see Ahmed's face. Yes, can you see this? Yes, he was thinking about something very fishy. Yes, he was very crafty person. Crafty in the sense he was thinking for his own benefit. Okay, he was not talking about the Ahmad to buy because he wanted to help Ahmad. No, he don't want to help Ahmad. What exactly he wanted to do? He wanted to see his own selfish nature. Okay, what he wanted to do? He want to fool the Kasim. He want to earn more and more and more money from that. That was his idea going on his mind. You can see his face, his expressions. Kasim was very happy with the good things, but Ahmad was planning something foolish. Let us see what happened next was uh, the cast next day when Kasim collected the money, whatever savings, whatever money he must having in his saving, what he do? He collected all the money, and what he did? Yes, he gone and visited to Ahmed. He gave all the money and he brought that well. Okay, he bought that well from the Ahmed. Next day, he was very happy that he will go, he will have the channels through the well to give water to that plants. Everything was in his mind. And the next morning, he gone and he had a surprise. What was the surprise? Is what it was, it a good or a bad? It was a very shocking surprise. And what was that? That Ahmed was standing and he was telling that, how dare you to touch my water in my presence? Yes, you can see the attitude. When he wanted to sell the well, he wanted to sell that well, how his attitude was. He was very kind. He was talking from mm, that way. He was trying to convey Kasim that you have to buy the well from my side. But in this picture, you can see in this picture, his attitude was totally arrogant. He was very angry and he used the word, how dare you. You can just imagine how was the condition of Kasim. Kasim was totally devastated. He was totally surprised. What? That how can someone ask for someone react like this? How can be the person who sold me this, who sold me that well, and again asking me, how dare you? Yes or no? That is very difficult for Kasim to understand. Now, in this situation, Kasim convinced the Ahmed that you sold me the well, it is my, I can use it anyhow. It is up to me that how I can use it. I paid the money for you. He tried to convince, but the Ahmed was having another plan. Yes, what was the plan? He said that whenever you want the fresh water, you have to buy the water from me. I sold the well. I haven't sold the water which is kept in that. The water which is present in the well is still belongs to me. It is my water. Okay, that was his idea. Now the Qasim was shocked, and as to have the justice, as he wanted to have the proper justice from other side, what he done, he gone and visited to the wise person. He gone and visited the wise person. Who was that wise person? He was the Qazi. Yes, he was the Qazi. Now, who is Qazi? Qazi was the person who is allotted to particular village that he can give the proper justice. Okay, any kind of judgment. Nowadays, we have police stations, we have judges, we have courts, the laws, our constitution to give us the right, everything. But when we talked about this kind of situation, at that time there was qazis. Okay, qazis were allotted, they have to give proper or the fair judgment. Now Qasim went to the Qazi. He told all things whatever happened, that Ahmed was next to me, he wanted to sell the well, I have I have bought the well from him, I paid the monies, but then also he was arguing with me, with me that how can you use my water, you have to buy the water. Everything was told by Qasim. Now the Qazi understood that Ahmed wanted to make, or Ahmed wanted to fool that Qasim. He wanted to earn money from fooling the people. Qazi was very wise man, very wise man. He was very good person. He was very down to earth. He always giving the justice to the needy and the poor people. Now he told Qasim to bring Ahmed. What did the Qazi said? Qazi said, you go and tell Ahmed to come and meet me. I will hear both the side. What was the first decision? The first fair decision was, I am not going to give you the direct decision. What I wanted to you have to go and you have to call Ahmed. Why did he wanted? Because he wanted to hear what is Ahmad's point of view. What did the Ahmad wanted to say on this situation? Okay, when he will listen to both the situation, at that time he will decide what he wanted to do. Okay, let us see what happened. Till this we have seen, we have completed our lesson till this. Let us see what happened next. Now Ahmad was summoned to the court. Summon means what? Sending a written application that you have to be present at this time. Nowadays we said I have received a notice, I have received the letter from the court. Okay, like that Ahmad was sent the summon. Now he has to present in front of the court. That is a written notice which is given by the court, given by the Qazi. Now Qazi heard his argument patiently. Qazi was not very angry. He was not only having faith for Qasim, but what he said that I have heard the story from Qasim's point of view, but now I wanted to listen to you. What exactly happened? Can you tell me, Ahmad? And Ahmad told his point of view. Let us see what Ahmad said. Now the court was at present, and you can see the face of Ahmad. He was looking scared. He was very little bit confused that how can a Qasim ask to the court. Now let us see what did he said. My lord, I am so grateful. He said that, my lord, I am so grateful you understand the fine points of this case. The water doesn't need it, indeed belongs to me. Sorry, I skipped something. Okay, I have gone to next para. Sorry. I see that you are right. What you have sold is the well. The water is all yours. Isn't that so? What did the Ahmad gave his idea, his point of view that I sold the well, but I haven't sold the water. My intention was to sell the well. I haven't sold the water. Okay, whatever, if the water is still belonging to me. If Qasim wants to use the water, he has to buy. Okay, he has to buy that water from me. Qasim's heart sank. Qasim again felt very sorry. Arey, what happened? Qazi is also telling that, okay, you are right. This word was totally shocking for Qasim. What did the Qasim? His heart sank. He started to shiver. He started to have lots and lots of questions in his mind that how can the Qazi said Ahmad is right. How can he? So when he heard the Qazi's word, when he heard the Qazi that you are right, Ahmad, that words are very sank to him. He was very blank. Qasim was totally blank that Qazi is also taking the side of Ahmad. Ahmad in his heart of hearts was overjoyed. Ahmad said that yes, Qazi is talking from my side. I'm very happy. How can Qazi is also going to have my side? So he was overjoyed. He had never thought the Qazi would side with him. What did Qazi said? The Qazi won't have something in his mind. He planned something. So the Ahmad was trapped in that. Ahmad again was said that yes, Qazi is from my side. Now I can talk very proudly. So he said, my lord, I am so grateful you understand the fine points of this case. What did the Ahmad said that? Yes, you have understood what exactly happened. I'm right. You said that You have understood the points which I want to tell you. The water does indeed belongs to me only. I haven't sold the water. Now, in this case, Ahmed, why are you keeping it in the Qasim's well? What did the Qazi started to talk? He started to give his judgment. Whatever he understood, he was very, very well known. He was having that much knowledge in such a short period of time, how to get the correct situation and how to give the proper judgment was understood by Qazi. And what did the Qazi said that, okay, the water belongs to you, you only sold the well, but if the water is yours and the well is Qasim's, why you are keeping that water in Qasim's well? You have to remove that. You have no rights to keep your belongings in his property. The property is Qasim's. You don't have any rights to keep it in the well. You must remove them immediately. What did? Whatever water belongs to you, you have to remove that. I don't want that water in that Qasim's well. If you sold the well, take it and go. Take your water and move away. Okay? Yes, that was the fair judgment. You must have understood. Yes. So, or else you can pay a daily rent to Qasim. What did the Qazi gave him? The suggestion that if you wanted to keep the water, you have to give a rent. If you're keeping something in someone's house, you have to pay the rent, na? So like that, if you're keeping the water in that Qasim's well, which you only sold, you have to pay the rent. You have, then he will allow you to use his well. You wanted to pay Qasim, you have to pay Qasim for you the rent. Then only he will allow that you can keep the water. Ahmed was so confused that he did not know what to say. What he was again, now as he was a crafty person, he was selfish, but then also he's don't having a word. He did not have any words to say. All the people present in the court began to laugh. Yes, it's a laughing situation now. So everyone started to laugh. Everyone was said that yes, Ahmed is a foolish person. He only trapped in the net. So, but Qasim was a generous man. He never troubled Ahmed for the rent that was due from him. What? Qasim was, as we saw that he was a very needy person. He collect whatever he's saving. He collected that and he bought the well. And with all this through, whatever troubled the Ahmed gave him, whatever tension, whatever stress was given by the Ahmed was forgotten by Qasim, as his nature was very generous. He was not very jealous person. He was not very hard person. He was very kind person. And what did? He never troubled the Ahmed. Whenever Ahmed wanted the water, yes, Qasim allowed him to have the water. Qasim always very helpful for Ahmed. Ahmed, whenever he wanted the water, he allowed him. And he never asked for the rent. And from that day, Ahmed have never ever he said that the water belongs to you, or the water belongs to me, I want the rent. Never. Whatever his craftiness, whatever his unfair, injustice nature, he everything forgotten. He was now a wet cat. Okay, so this was the story, which through what we have understood, what is the moral behind this, that you don't have to be the crafty. Okay, don't foolish the person. Don't think for the own benefit. Always think for others. Always help the others. Always help the needy person. Yes. So whatever all this through, we have understood that every time think from the both the point of view, what exactly you have to do in the situations, and then only move, or then only do the actions. Look before you leave. Yes or no? So many morals are here. You can be like a Qazi, you can be like the Qasim. Okay, don't be very selfish, be honest. Yes, very good, Srishti. Everything, each and every point of view from that story was very good, and which was presented in a very happy go lucky. It is, can you can take it as a very interesting story. If you can tell this to your friends, your anyone, they will also laugh at the Ahmed. Yes or no? So take it as it in that way, and try to understand how can you present yourself, how your nature should be. If you are a very helpful person, that goes with friend in need and friend indeed. Yes or no? Be honest. Honesty is the best policy. Give the fair justice like a Qazi. Everything, the judgment, everything. Yes. So many morals are here. You just have to understand what exactly, how, and when you have to react, how you have to plan everything. Okay, that was the lesson, water in the well. Okay, yes. So I hope you must have understood the lesson, water in the well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anything which you haven't understood, but I don't think that you will have that. The story was really very interesting. We have learned through this story so many morals we have learned. Okay, so this was the all about water in the well. The characters are very interesting. Qasim, Ahmed, Qazi, every character, each and every character was very interesting, very fair and unjust, that all. Okay, this was all about water in the well.